This is Shelley Kraft. We're coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at Biotech Week here in San Francisco 2014. I have with me Cory Gerdts. He's a PhD. Protein BioSolutions. It's a private company. Cory, welcome to SNNLive.
Thanks a lot for having me on.
It's good to have you. Let's get right into it. Tell me about your company.
Well, Protein BioSolutions is a company that offers solutions to people working in the proteomics marketplace, so people that are doing research on proteins. We offer instrumentation, consumables, even services.
How big a market is that?
Well, it's a multi-billion-dollar market for sure, and that's reflected in some of our biggest customers that we work with routinely: big pharma, big academic institutions, Harvard's, Novartis, BMS, those types of names.
So tell me about the specifics of working in proteomics.
Well, proteomics just means you work with proteins. So most of our customers are doing research in preclinical laboratories, and so that hits all of those big pharma companies. It hits a lot of the small biotech companies that are working on specific projects, and it hits a lot of the high-end academic institutions as well.
Why do they need you?
Well, they need us to basically streamline their processes. So we have instrumentation that allows them to get to their end results either much quicker or for much cheaper. And so we offer products like protein purification equipment, protein crystallography equipment, things that really speak to a specific customer, and they're in a large part instruments that don't have specific competitors.
What's your background?
My background is actually microfluidics. I did a PhD at the University of Chicago, and I studied microfluidics, which is just what it sounds like: fluid flow in very, very small channels. And actually, one of our instrumentations is one I'm an inventor on. Our IP comes from the University of Chicago, and it's something I was able to take from the lab into a commercial product that was a lot of fun.
Very rewarding.
Very rewarding, yes.
So give me an example of how you can help a company specifically develop a product, and give us an example of an outcome of that product.
Sure. Well, because we're working with pharmaceutical companies, and a lot of this is preclinical, we're talking about very long product life cycles. But let me give you an example. We have companies that need to do lots of antibody screening, and we have an instrument called the Protein Maker, which does parallel protein purification. And what this allows companies to do, like big pharma companies, is to test maybe 20, 30, 50, even 100 different antibodies in a single day, where that might take them with other instrumentation literally months. And so it allows them to streamline their process both downstream and upstream, so they can get those tests done and get to their product faster, even if it's not a product that is out on the market at the end of that day.
Well, it sounds to me like you add a lot of speed to the laboratory.
Well, we want to bring value. We want to make sure that one of my primary roles is to get in with those specific customers, the people that are at the lab bench doing the work, finding out what their pain points are, and then developing different instrumentation and details on our existing instrumentation to make sure that we're alleviating those pain points for them.
Do you have a website?
Absolutely, www.pbiosolutions.com, and feel free to check us out there.
Ladies and gentlemen, Cory Gerdts. He's a PhD, Protein BioSolutions. It's a private company. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive. We're at Biotech Week, San Francisco 2014. Cory, thanks for coming on to SNNLive.
Thanks for having me, Shelley.